Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Hulu on your smart TV using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions for an optimal streaming experience. Step 1. Connect your Chromecast device to an available HDMI port on your smart TV. Plug the USB power cable into a power source. Step 2. Turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input where your Chromecast is connected. The Chromecast setup screen should appear. Step 3. Download and install the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet if you haven't already. This app is required to set up Chromecast. Step 4. Open the Google Home app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Chromecast device and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Download the Hulu app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign into your Hulu account. Step 6. Start playing any show or movie in the Hulu app on your mobile device. Look for the cast icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 7. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device from the list. The content will begin playing on your TV within a few seconds. Step 8. Use your mobile device as a remote control to pause, play, adjust volume, or select different content. Your TV will display the Hulu content while you control everything from your phone or tablet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.